kukunin big bucks yan.
Ay, hindi ho. Hindi ho kasama dyan. In fact, under the law signed by the President, Universal Healthcare, the fund now will be 250 billion pesos. Napakalaki na ho yung pondo. At ang kailangan no, bantayan at tutukan yung programa because the law does not say kung ano yung coverage ng program. At pagka ganun ho, nagkakaproblema talaga yung mga tao. Katulad nung presidente ng PhilHealth last year, pinanggaling presidente Duterte, for 1 year nakatira sa hotel. So tinanggal niya to. So ito yung kailangan natin bantayan at tutukan. Yung legislation for health should be there. And local government code, there's no mandatory budget for health. At kailangan po bigyan ng
But don't you think it's about high time for the government to look into the devolution? Because it appears to be a devil's solution to the health program.
Totoo po yun. The devolution should happen in the very rich LGUs like Metro Manila. We don't need national government support. Cebu, Davao, these are all very rich local governments. Pero dun sa iba, wala pang kakayahan eh. And they need the national government to support in terms of budget, in terms of manpower and resources para matulungan yung mga kababayan po natin.
So, with what you said, federalism